Okay, it's pouring rain out here, and I want to show you how I sleep in the nature, in my tent. As you can see over here, I'm gonna walk you through towards the steps that I take to go to bed in my tent. So let's go in and see what I do. Alright, as you can see here, it's a bit too messy in here. So what I'd like to do first is to turn on the light so that I can see what I'm doing here. And then I'm gonna have to tidy up. So, because normally what I do is that I like put everything in my tent, and after I settle down, I will figure out what to do next inside my tent. So let me show you what I do. What I do before doing everything, I do have to take out my sleeping bag. So there you go. Here's my sleeping bag, and now I can put in all my stuff in my backpack. This way they're out of the way. It's nice and tidy. Right, now I've got my other pieces of clothing that I sometimes like to use and wear when I'm going to bed, but not today. I'm not going to wear anything today. I'm going to just sleep with my regular clothes. The next thing is actually taking out the sleeping mat, which I've talked about in the other video, which is a necessity. So I'm going to unroll it. This goes below me. Just like that. Everything is nice and tidy. So then I'm gonna close the door. Into the sleeping bag I go. It's pouring rain out, and I'm quite terrified right now, but I'm sure it's going to be fine, so we'll see what happens. And that's all you need to sleep. So what I normally do is that I will roll the top part of my sleeping mat, so this works as my pillow. I'm not that keen on using a pillow, so I'm quite okay sleeping like this. But you know, if I need to, if I really have to, I will use my hammock as my pillow. As I'm going to show you it now. See, this works as my pillow. So, like that. And that's all you need to sleep. So, night night. Oh, I have to turn off the light. So, there you go. Night night. It's actually bright outside. It's daytime, so not exactly night night. Nice sleep. Would you listen to the rain? It's amazing. The white noise is amazing.